Hello students, welcome to my channel Classmate. Today we will discuss on a new topic, simplification of numerical expressions. So let's see what happened. You have to learn this properly to simplify the numerical expressions. Okay. So at first you have to know what is the numerical expressions. Numerical expressions is the mathematical expressions in which two or more operations occur together at a time. Okay, not at a time, one by one, but two or more operations will be present there and we have to solve this. You can see here it is written within this bracket 3 plus 5, then multiplication sign, then division, then plus, then minus. So all these are one operation. So all these operations are present in this mathematical expression. So it is called numerical expressions. Okay. Now the question is that how we solve this type of numerical expressions. To solve these numerical expressions, we have to apply the BODMAS rule. Okay, and you have to know this properly. What is the BODMAS rule? B for bracket. Bracket is, there are three types of bracket. This bracket is called first bracket, this is called second bracket, and that is called third bracket. I have mentioned within this bracket first bracket, second bracket and third bracket. So if in any numerical expression the bracket is given, then at first you have to solve what are written within the bracket. Okay, so B for bracket. Come to the second, O. O is for order or power, but in class 5 order or power is not given. It is given in the higher classes. So we represent O for of. All of you have already solved the numerical expression whatever given in the chapter fraction. Then of means multiplication. So I have mentioned this also within this bracket, that of means the multiplication. Okay. Come to the third letter, that is D. D for division, and that is the symbol of the division. Come to the M. M for multiplication, that is the multiplication sign. A for addition, that is the sign of the addition, and at last subtraction, that is the subtraction symbol. So we have to follow this sequence from upper side to lower. At first B, then O, then D, then M, then A, then S. That means at first bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then at last subtraction. So that is the BODMAS rule, and we have to apply this rule to solve the numerical expression. Simplification, that means we have to solve this numerical expression to get the desired value. Okay. Now we have to apply this rule. Now let's see how to simplify this numerical expression. So that is one of the numerical expression. In this numerical expression you can see that lots of operations are present here. So now to solve this numerical expression we have to apply the BODMAS rule. Okay. So at first you give the equal sign, then you find out which one is how many operations are there and which type of operation are present there. In the rule, at first we have to apply, that means we have to solve the bracket operation. So at first you find out if there are any bracket is present. Yes, here within this bracket it is written 3 plus 5. So you have to solve this at first. We have to solve this at first. So 3 plus 5 equals to 8. You write down here 8. Then you write down as it is written in this numerical expression. That means the other parts of this numerical expression you just write down same as it is written in the first line. Now we have solved the bracket operation. Now you come to the second thing. What is come under the second of the BODMAS rule? B we have already done. So then it is come of. Is there any of is present? No, there are no of is present. So we have to not follow this of rule. Then you just select the after in this way. Then comes the division operation. Is there any division operation is present? Yes. Here the division symbol is given and it is written 15 divided by 3. So we have to solve this now. We have to solve this now. Then at first you write down 8, then give the multiplication sign as it is written. Then you solve this 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Then you write down the next part of this numerical expression. Then which operation comes after the division? Here it is comes the multiplication. Then we have to find out, is there any multiplication sign is present in the numerical expression? Yes, here it is written 8 multiplied by 5. So we have to solve this now. Then you give the equal sign, then 8 into 5 equals to 40. Then you write down as it is written plus 10 minus 35. Then you have to do addition. So 40 plus 50, that is the addition symbol is present in between 40 plus 10, 40 plus 10 is present. So 40 plus 10, that means 50, and you write down minus 35. Then at last subtraction, yes, that is the subtraction symbol is present. So we have to operate the subtraction. Then 50 minus 35 equals to 15. That is our answer. So we simplified this numerical expression by applying the BODMAS rule. At first we have solved this bracket operation, then division operation, then multiplication operation, then addition, and then subtraction. So in this way, by applying this rule step by step, we reach in our final answer, that is 15. Now students, let's see this example. You can see here two bracket operations are given. One is division, another is the addition, and then subtraction. So now to solve this numerical expression, at first you give the equal sign. Then you have to follow the BODMAS rule. At first the bracket, then op, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So you can see the bracket operation, we have to follow this at first. So here you can see there are two brackets. One is 10 plus 2, which is written within the bracket, and the another is 6 multiplied by 3. So at the same time we have to solve these two. So 10 plus 2, it will be 12 divided by, you write down 4, then give plus sign. Then you have to solve this operation. 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. Then you give minus symbol, then 10. Okay, I hope all of you understood. So when in any numerical expression more than one, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, lots of bracket operation are given, so then we have to solve this all bracket operation at the same time. Okay, here it is the plus sign is given, here it is multiplication sign is given, but both are written within the bracket, so we have to solve at the same time. So the bracket operation we have solved. Now you come to the second line. Again give the equal sign. Then what to do? Op is not present, so you just cut down. Then we have to follow the division. We have to follow the division operation. So you can see that division sign is given in between 12 and 4. So we have to divide 12 by 4. So when we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. Now you write down the other parts of this equation as it is written. So 3 plus 18 minus 10. Now here it is given multiplication. Now you can see in this numerical expression after the simplification there is no multiplication sign is given. So we cut down this. Now you just check which operation is there. Addition. You can see addition symbol is present in between 3 and 18. So we have to add this 2. 3 plus 18, that is 21. So you write down 21, then you give the minus symbol, that means 21 minus 10. Now we have to follow the last one, subtraction. So 21 minus 10, we get our answer 11. So after simplification of this numerical expression by applying the BODMAS rule, we get our final answer, that is 11. Now students, let's see this example. That is one of the numerical expression. So we have to apply the BODMAS rule here, and let's see how to solve this numerical expression. So you have to follow the BODMAS rule. You can see that bracket is not present, op also not present here. So we have to only follow the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in this order. So at first you find out what is the division sign. Division 28 divided by 7. So we have to divide 28 by 7 here. So you write down 14 as it is written, then give plus sign, then you have to divide 28 by 7. So it will be 4. Then you give the multiplication sign and write down minus 17. Then which operation we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Then we have to multiply 4 by 3. Here it is multiplication sign is present. So you write down 14 plus 4 into 3, that means 12. Then you give minus 17. Then which operation we have to do? Addition. Then you can see that addition symbol is present in between 14 plus 12. Then 14 plus 12, it will be 26 minus 17. You write down the next part as it is written. Then we have to follow the subtraction. Then 26 minus 17, it will be 9. So 9 is our answer. Now students, you have to concentrate and focus on this math. That is one of the most important math. You can see all the numbers are the fractional number. So this is the mathematical expression in which all the numbers are fractional number, and that is also one of the numerical expression. You can see division, bracket, op, plus, minus, all the operations are present in this mathematical expression, so it is called the numerical expression. Now the question is that how to solve this numerical expression. Nothing is difficult. We have to similarly apply the BODMAS rule. Here it is written the BODMAS rule. We have to apply this BODMAS rule to solve this numerical expression. Now you follow me stepwise. At first you give plus sign. So at first what is written? B for bracket. So you just identify if there any bracket is there. Yes, here bracket operation is given. So what is written? 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. So it is not possible to you to solve this directly. Otherwise you do this here, 7 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. Otherwise you can write this also here. Okay. Then what to do? In the second line, 7 by 8, you replace the division sign by multiplication sign and write down 4 by 5, the reciprocal of this expression. So 4 and 8 cut it 2. So it will be 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Okay. So you directly write down this 7 by 10. Otherwise you show this operation as I have done here. You can solve this also here. So you have to write down 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Then you give the plus sign. Then you write down 3 by 5 of 25 minus 3 by 10 as it is written. Then what is written in the BODMAS rule? Of. Now you can find out in this numerical expression, you can find out of is written 3 by 5 of 25. Then what to do? When of is written, you just write down 7 by 10 as it is written, give the plus sign. 3 by 5 you replace of by giving the multiplication sign. Okay. So you write down 25 by 1. Then minus 3 by 10. Then what to do? When you multiply 3 by 5 with this 25 by 1, you just cut down this. Then you have to multiply. That means you write down 7 by 10, give the plus sign. Then you multiply 3 into 5 equals to 15. Then you give minus 3 by 10. I hope all of you understood. Then what to do? D for division, but you can see that only plus and minus sign are present, so there are no division and also there are no multiplication. So now we have to follow the addition. So you have to add these two, 7 by 10 plus 15 by 1. So 7 by 10 plus 15 by 1, you just take the LCM 10, then 7 plus 15 into 10, 150 minus 3 by 10. So what will be the answer? Our answer will be, you just wait, answer will be 157 by 10 minus 3 by 10. So now we have to apply the subtraction operation. Okay, here it is given the minus symbol, so we have to take again the LCM 10, then 157 minus 3. It is very simple, 157 minus 3. Then what will be the answer? I write down the equal sign here. So 154 by 10. Okay, 154 by 10, that is written in improper fraction. Okay, so that is our answer. So if you want to convert this into the mixed number, you can convert this also, but you can write down this also in this form, in the improper form. So that is our answer, 154 by 10. Now students, that is one of the most famous example on this topic. Okay, then we have to apply the BODMAS rule on this numerical expression, and let's see how to solve the expression. Okay, then at first you give the equal sign. You can see here these two fractions are written in improper form, sorry, mixed number form, so you have to convert this in improper fraction. So 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Then you write down the next term, 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now in this numerical expression, you can see that there are no bracket or op is present. So at first you cut down these two. Okay, there are no bracket and no op. Okay, then you have to find out, is there any division? Yes, you can find out here the division, and here also the division operation is present. So at the same time you have to do these two operation. Okay, then you write down here 9 by 2 as it is written plus 7 by 2, then you replace the division sign by multiplication and just take the reciprocal of this. 12 is written at the numerator and 7 as the denominator. Now give the minus sign, then here also you have to do the same. 1 by 2, you replace the division sign by multiplication sign, and here it is written 2, so you can take 2 by 1, so you just take off this reciprocal, 1 by 2. Okay, now what to do? 9 by 2 you write down, you can see that 7 and 7 cut down, 2 and it will be 6. So 9 by 2 plus 6 minus here also 1 by 4. Okay, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. Now so division operation done, here is no multiplication sign. Okay, so you also cut down this. Now you can check there are only one plus sign and one minus sign, so you have to follow the addition. So 9 by 2 you can write down, 6 by 1, take 2 as the LCM, then 9 plus 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 2, 12. Then you write down minus 1 by 4 as it is written. So in the next line you write down 9 plus 12, that is 21. 21 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, now we have to follow the subtraction. Then what to do? At first you find out the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 21 into 2. 21 into 2 minus 1. So 21 into 2, that is 42. So you write down here 42 minus 1, 42 minus 1 by 4. So our answer will be 41 by 4. That is our answer in improper form, improper fraction. So after applying all the operation, we solve this numerical expression and we get our answer, that is 41 by 4. Okay, 41 by 4. And you can find out this also improper of mixed number, which I have not done in the previous example. So how to find out the mixed number form? You have to divide 41 divided by 4, then 1 4 1 0 0 1. So 10 as a whole 1 by 4. So you can write down this also here. So you can write down 10 as a whole 1 by 4. That is our final answer. Okay, 4 into 10 40 plus 1 41, 41 by 4. Now students, let's see this example on the decimal number. Here you can see that is one of the mathematical expression in which plus, division and multiplication, all the operation are present. So it is one of the numerical expression, and we have to solve this numerical expression by applying the BODMAS rule. So at first you can see that there are no bracket and also off. So then you have to find out, is there any division sign? Yes, division sign is present in between 1.5 and 5. So you have to divide 1.5 by 5. So you just write down here 1.5 divided by 5. So 1 is the whole number, we cannot divide this. So you just multiply 0 with 5, you write down. So 1 comes down, you have to shift the decimal point here to take the next digit. So 15, then you multiply 3 into 5, it is 15. So our answer is 0.3. Then you give the equal sign here, write down 5.3 as it is written, write down plus sign, and you directly write down this find out the value which you get the value after the division, that is 0.3 here, 0.3. Then you give the multiplication sign by 2. Now what to do? Plus and multiplication sign are present. According to BODMAS rule, we have to follow the multiplication. Then give the plus sign, 5.3 plus sign, then you have to multiply this 0.3 multiplied by 2. Then what to do? You just ignore the point, 3 multiplied by 2, it is 6. Then what are the decimal places are present? Only 1. Then you have to put the decimal point here. So our multiplication will be, when you multiply 0.3 by 2, you get the product is 0.6. So you write down 0.6. Then plus sign is there, then we have to follow the addition. 5.3 plus 0.6, you now add 5.3 0.6, so it will be 5.9. okay, then it will be 5.9. so you write down the answer 5.9. that is our answer. Now students, let's see this example. You can see that is one of the most important and uncommon math. Okay, so you have to focus on this. 7 plus 7 multiplied by 7, divide by 7, then again subtract by 7, subtraction symbol, then again plus symbol, then 7. Then what to do? You can understood that is one of the numerical expression. So we have to apply the BODMAS rule here stepwise, and we have to solve this by applying this rule. So bracket and off both are not present here. So at first you cut down, then you find out, is there any division sign? Yes, here you can find out the division symbol is present. So we have to divide 7 by 7. Then you write down as it is written, 7 plus 7, give the multiplication symbol, then 7 divided by 7, 1 minus 7 plus 7. Then you have to apply the multiplication operation. Then give the tick mark. Yes, here is the multiplication. So you write down 7 plus, you multiply 7 by 1, you get 7. Then minus 7 plus 7. Okay. Then which operation we have to follow? We have to follow the addition operation. So you can see 7 plus 7 minus 7 then plus 7. So at first you write down all the plus symbol together. You just brought this 7, then you write down minus 7. So what to do? You can see here nothing is written. So if there is no symbol, that means there is plus symbol. So plus 7, then you can see it is written plus 7. Then you have to write down the last digit. Before this digit it is written plus 7. So you have to write down all these 3 at first. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Then you write down minus 7. Okay. That means you have to add these 3 7 at first. Then we have to subtract minus 7. So 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21. 21 minus 7. So you have to follow the subtraction. 21 minus 7, it is 14. So 14 is our answer. Okay, 14 is our answer. So I hope all of you understood this very clearly. If you have any confusion, you must mention in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So okay, all of you, all the best. Thank you.